are you? Very good. Are you ready for our discussions for this morning? Okay, good. Class, observe the school grounds. Look outside. What covers the surface of the ground and what it contains? Okay, good. Class, do you think we will see similar things if we dig deeper into the ground? Okay, then, do all soils have similar characteristics? Okay, let us find out the answers of those questions because our topic for today is about the 3 types of soil. But before we proceed, let us know what a soil is. Please, everybody, eyes on the board and read what is soil. Okay, thank you. Now, I have a soil sample here. You can touch and observe this. Are you done, class? Okay, now, what is the composition of soil? Okay, good. Here, the soil composition. It is the example. It is a graph. It is a pie graph. It is the example to illustrate how much each composition of soil. Now, minerals has the biggest number, which has 45%, and both water and air has 25%. And in living organisms, where we found organic matters like humus, has 5% only. Understand, class? Okay, very good. Now, the 3 types of soil is the clay, loam, and sand. Everybody, eyes on the board and read what is clay. Okay, the common characteristics of clay is sticky, tight, and has the finest texture. Here, I have a sample of clay soil. Okay, come here please, Scarlett. Observe the clay soil. What have you observed? Okay, good. Here is the example of plant that mostly grows on a clay soil. What plant is this? Okay, good. Thank you, Scarlett. Now, the second type of soil is loam. Everybody read. Okay, here the sample of clay soil. Can you come here, Hans Dave? You can touch this and observe. What have you observed? Okay, very good. Now, I have a picture here of plant that mostly grows on a loam soil. What plant is this? Okay, very good. Thank you, Hans Dave. Okay, the last but not the least type of soil is sand. Everybody, eyes on the board. Read what is sand. Okay, thank you. The common characteristics of sand, its particles is loose and has a light weight. Now, here is the example of sandy soil. Come here, J. Mark. Can you observe the sandy soil? What can you say about sandy soil? Okay, very good. Now, here is the example. Here is the picture of plant that example that mostly grows on a sandy soil. What plant is this? Okay, it is a cactus. I think everybody knows the cactus. Okay, good. Thank you, J. Mark. Now, okay, class, do you understand our lesson? Did you learn from our discussion? Okay, very good. Now, prepare yourselves because we will have an activity. Our activity is, I have 3 pots here that contains the 3 types of soil, which is sand, clay, and loam. Now, each pot has a hole at the bottom. There is a cotton cloth in it that will be served as a filter. The water that will be drained will be found in this plastic. Now, here is the direction. I will divide you into a 3 group. You will select a member to pour the water in this pot. And the leader, together with the other members, will observe the characteristics of soil. Write your observations on a cartolina or even on a bond paper. If you will not have a bond paper or cartolina, you will write your observation on the paper, but you will explain after the activity. Understand, class? Okay, very good. You can start now. Are you done, class? Okay, good. Are you ready? Okay. Can I hear group 1 if you are ready? How about group 2? Good. Group 3? Very good. Now, let us start. Please, group 1, explain your observation. Very good. How about group 2? Very good. Last but not the least, group 3. Okay, good. Let's have a round of applause, everybody. Because you did a great job. All your observations are correct. Now, again, class, what are the 3 types of soil? Good. What is the mixture of minerals, decaying matters, and living organisms? Very good. Class, is soil important? Okay. Soil is important, class. Why? Because it is where we live in. Class, there would be no plants and vegetables we're going to eat. There would be no life on earth if we don't have soil. Understand, class? Okay, very good. It seems that everybody participate our discussions as well our activity. Now, let's have a round of applause again, everybody. You did a great job. Okay, good. Now, prepare yourselves because we will have a short quiz. Answer the 5 questions. You will select the answers here on the box. Okay? Understand? Okay, good.
Yes.
You may start now. Are you done, class? Okay, let's check. What is the answer of number 1? A dark organic material that forms in soil when organic matters decays. Okay, very good. It is a humus. Second, mixture of broken rocks, minerals, living organisms, and humus. Please. Very good. It is a soil. Third is a wet and cold season and dry out in summer. Please. Okay, very good. It is a clay. Fourth is prone to erosion and has low nutrients. Please. Okay, very good. It is a sand. Why? Sand is prone to soil erosion because it has low holding capacity of water. Now, the last is a type of soil that contains clay and sand. Very good. It is a loam. Now, who got perfect score? Okay, very good. Let's have a round of applause. Okay, now, it seems that you've learned and understand from our discussions as well our activity for this morning. You will have an assignment for our next meeting. Our assignment for next meeting is you will have to make a list at least 5 uses of soil. Understand, class? Okay, very good. Now, once again, thank you for your cooperations for this morning. See you next meeting. Goodbye, class.